Subros. Does a V-shaped recovery in passenger vehicles, attractive valuation makes the thermal product manufacturer a good option? Subros, a leading manufacturer of thermal products for automotive applications in India, posted a strong performance in the quarter ended December 2020. A sharp recovery in the demand for passenger vehicles and commercial vehicles, coupled with localization efforts to improve profitability, provides enough reasons to be upbeat about the prospects of the company. The company's new segments, home AC and railways, offer significant opportunity. At the current valuation of 17.4 times FY22 projected earnings, the stock looks attractive. Founded in 1985, the thermal product manufacturer is a joint venture public limited company with 36.79% ownership by Suri family of India, 20% by Denso Corporation of Japan, and 11.96% by Suzuki Motor Corporation Japan. The company relies heavily on growth in passenger vehicles segment, performance and economic fundamentals. Subros posted a 29.6% year-on-year growth in net revenues while profits skyrocketed by more than 107%. Despite a significant rise in raw material prices, its earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization margin expanded by 62.7 basis points year-on-year, primarily due to a rich product, model mix, and cost reduction led by localization. The company reported increase in market share with its key customer, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, where Subros reported a sales growth of 28% as compared to 24% growth of MSIL. The revenue from home AC business has also started to come back and contributed 4% of total sales. Localization has also helped. Currently at 76%, Subros imports 24% of its components. The company plans to reduce imports to 8 to 10% levels in 3 to 5 years, which will further bump up the operating profitability. So what's the future outlook? With the specter of COVID-19 induced pandemic still looming large, many people are opting for personal vehicles instead of public transport. The changing consumer behavior would continue to provide a key growth trigger for Subros as it generates more than 75% of its revenues from the segment. Additionally, Maruti, the leader in passenger vehicle segments, is the company's largest client. Subros products are there in all future models of Maruti and it has 100% share of business in Maruti's Gujarat plant. After lockdown restrictions were eased, the commercial vehicle segment started recovering at a decent pace as economic activities resumed. Demand has picked up and has reached pre-COVID levels. Subros also supplies component to the railways where it has achieved a market share of 77%. The management expects to generate Rs 70 to 100 crore of revenue from this segment in next 3 to 5 years. It has partnered with Whirlpool to supply condensers for room ACs, which has opened up a new line of business for the company and strengthened its top line. The management indicates that the company is expecting Rs 100 crore in FY21 and another 12 to 15% year-on-year growth in FY22. The only risk factors that can stymie the growth is over-dependence on Maruti and slower adoption of ACs and blowers in trucks.